Hello there and welcome back to lesson number 2 in design with me, Daniel. Okay guys, let's get to it. So, design objects changing. Remember, things constantly change and we're going to find out why. Aesthetic research of industrial design is strictly connected to the art trend, the fashion, and contemporary style. Contemporary art is essential for a car, interior design, object and for fashion designers because art can provide or give a starting point from which the graphic and conceptual point of view can develop. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. You can see 4 images on the left. The name Vasily Kandinsky, probably from the east of Europe, and Paul Klee, obviously someone who speaks English. Look at the different colours and shapes, for example. The change in shape of an object is determined by cultural development of society that is connected to its use and the meaning or the significance of its possession. Moreover, it is strictly bound, or let's say connected, to technological improvement of industrial products. For example, new materials, new computerized machines that produce objects and work on new materials. So let's go back in time just a little. The first televisions, phones and computers were quite big and heavy. But thanks to technological evolution, electronic elements have been minimized and new materials have been used. This has helped designers creating smaller, handier and lighter objects. The designer projects new shapes so that the object looks ergonomic. What does it mean, ergonomic? It means that the shapes and the design respond to the purpose and the need of the user or the person using it. So a good design project should not just be a styling procedure, but it should provide or give a technical innovation, a high handy usefulness, high materials quality, and it should create something easier to be used. The designer, in other words, should reach a good balance in shape, functionality and technology. So, can the same object be useful all around the world, internationally? Have a look at the 3 images. We have the Western countries. We have Morocco and the Arabic countries, Japan and the Oriental countries. So let's repeat the question. Can the same object be useful all around the world? Well, have a look at this Western bed, which is based on the Oriental design, and look at this real Oriental bed. Are they the same? No, they are different. Have a look at this original Bauhaus cutlery, and look at how the shape and the size change. So, everyday objects have changed in time, but what practically makes this possible? New materials. In particular, designers choose plastic materials. In fact, most of the designer objects now are made of plastic. We are surrounded by plastic. It's incredibly common. Designers choose plastic not only for small objects, but also when creating furniture like sofa, chairs, etc. Thanks to plastic objects, they can be quite cheap with things like a plastic water bottle. Finally, there was a famous car designer, Giorgetto Giugiaro. I think you can understand where he is from. He was asked to design a range of water bottles for the San Bernardo factory. Well, there you go. That concludes lesson number 2 on design. Well done, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye.